Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your profile picture in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type tinder.com and hit on enter right now. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's try to change our profile picture. At the top left, here's your profile. That says my profile, simply click on it. And right here, this is my current profile picture. I want to edit it. What we need to do is simply click on edit info. And right here, these are the photos that I have uploaded. You can upload other photos as well, but right now, I just want to change my profile picture from this one to this. I'm simply gonna click and drag it to make it number 1. As you can see, the number 1's right here. And after everything's done, let's simply click on save. And as you can see, my profile picture has been changed. Now let's try to look at it once again. Well, right here at the top left, as you can see, my profile picture has been successfully changed. Well guys, that's it. That's how we change your profile picture in Tinder PC. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.